So welcome back everyone, happy Saturday. So yesterday I shared a Decorate With Me Our Mantle video, and afterwards I received a few comments and I tried to answer those, but I also received messages on social media and I received a few emails with questions about some of the pieces that I used to decorate our mantle here behind me. And also a few people asked if it looked just as beautiful in the daylight as it did in the evening with the candles. And so I wanted to share with you, it is now daylight, so I wanted to share with you a few video clips of what it looks like during the day. And these leaves look every bit as beautiful and crunchy and just a beautiful autumn dried leaf appearance during the day as they do in the evening. And so I want to answer your questions about a few of the pieces that I used that I did not mention where they came from, and then I will also reiterate where we got some of these other pieces. So to start with, many people asked about the ravens or the crows. Those came from Hobby Lobby, and in my video I referenced, if you watch the basket video, the tray video, I used one in there. And so I didn't mention yesterday whenever I was talking about these where they came from. They came from Hobby Lobby. They're originally $13.99, but they were on sale, so they were like $8 and some change. I will include a link directly to them in my video description here. And they have two sizes. This size is $13.99. They have another size that is a little bit larger and it's $15.99. But I chose the ones that were $13.99 here. The other question is the flickering candles. So they are not luminaras. I do have some luminara, but these are the Mirage candles, and they have a realistic flickering flame effect, much like the luminaras, only they don't, the flame itself does not actually move. It's the LED technology that's inside of it that creates the illusion that they're actually moving and flickering. So you do get that true dance of light off of the ceiling and off the top of the lantern, just like you do with the luminara. Actually, I have these in the family room, and we had a birthday party for my husband last week, 2 weekends ago, and my friend thought that they were real. So they are a really nice candle, and they're by Mirage, and these are the 5-inch candles that I used in here. And then the lanterns came from Walmart. I mentioned that in the video. The garland came from Hobby Lobby. So pretty much everything here was really, really affordable. The candles were normally $30. They're $15.99 here at our Hobby Lobbies right now. The lanterns were around $7. They're $6.87 or something like that. So after tax, a little over $7. The garland is $11.99. And it was 40% off. All of their fall stuff's 40% off right now, at least here in our area, and I'm not sure how long. It's been going on for a while, so I'm not sure if it's still going on or not, but I purchased these items from Hobby Lobby yesterday and they were still on sale. I'm going to share with you guys a clip of what this looks like during the day. You can get a nice close-up look of the leaves and everything and what it looks like. And again, I really wanted this to take on the appearance of just the birds in a bed of big, crunchy autumn leaves. And then to add in the candlelight, but I wanted it to be very simplistic. I wanted everything to sort of complement one another. So the black of the lanterns complementing the black on the crows, and then these gorgeous leaves that are in here. I wanted all of that to just sort of work together and create this scene that was simple, 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 but looks like it has a really big impact. I wanted it to be something that was really beautiful, looked like it had a lot going on, but there was actually very few pieces involved. Also, I mentioned that the lanterns are sitting up on the little hay bales. Those also came from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to give you a shot now of what it looks like during the day Close Up. So I hope this answered some of your questions and you've enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for the wonderful comments on my mantle. As I said, I really wanted this to have a Pottery Barn look to it, and I've done research on Pottery Barn fall decor, and they do have lanterns that are similar to these. They do have this dried leaf garland, very similar to this. They actually do have some black, like ravens or crows, something similar to this, but I had one of my subscribers send me a link to one of their items that I've used, and it was $79 for just one piece. This is definitely a look for less, but I think it turned out really well and I'm pleased with it, and every time I look at it, it just screams autumn and crisp, you know, air and all the things that we think of, all the scents and all of that we think of whenever we think of fall weather. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate your support. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Facebook. It's all on there. It's a one-stop shop. So thank you all so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.